first question is, how does self-care affect my level of vibration? A lot. A whole lot. So, our vibrational frequency is a combination of all the interrelationships we have. So it's like an average you come out with. Because you can have a vibrational frequency with your emotions, and if you're in the process of releasing a lot of trapped emotion, you might be at a low frequency, which is fine. There's no problem with that, because we have to go to low frequency to ever know it. We need to know it inside and out. So if you're in a releasing process, that frequency could be low at that time. Your vibrational frequency with your inner child, maybe you've been ignoring her, maybe that's not very high. Your inner relationship with your physical body, have you been taking care of your physical body? Are you wearing shoes that hurt your feet? That's not very nice. That's not loving your body. So it's all about the many different things that we do inside with all of our inner relationships, what our vibrational frequency is. So yes, your self-care definitely affects your level of vibration. The food we eat, the water we drink, everything can affect it. However, know that mostly what affects it is the thoughts we have. Because the thoughts we have come from the belief system that we have, whether it's conscious or unconscious. Most of the time, it's unconscious. You have many beliefs that you're not aware of that you have, and they control your life. And that's where everyone gets in trouble. So we have the beliefs which create a thought. So if I believe that the color black makes me sick, I see black, I'm thinking, I'm going to get sick. And then the emotion comes, and my body's so used to this pattern of getting sick that all of a sudden I've got stomach cramps when I see black. And I'm thrown into the repeating pattern, and I get sick. And I don't understand it consciously, because I don't know what's going on. I just know when I see black, I get really sick. My stomach starts cramping almost immediately. That's coming from, that's what we call about what an automatic response in the brain is, and that's what a repeating pattern is. You have done it so many times that it's automatic. So it takes some work to catch, okay, what am I thinking when I see black? Because you've already become unconscious of even thinking that anymore. So when you can think, I get sick, and then you think, well, why do I get sick when I see black? And if you can work your own way down, which you can, but it takes some know-how and some effort, you'll discover that back when you were little, that Grandpa used to wear black and he smelled like gasoline all the time, and it would make you sick. And as a child, you formed the belief that seeing black made you sick. And once you see that, your whole thought process will change, because you've found the core of why you get sick when you see black, and now it'd be like, well, that's not Grandpa. That's not the gasoline. I don't have to get sick anymore. And it breaks it. That's what releasing emotion's all about, trapped emotion, because that is connected to those unconscious beliefs. Wow, that was good. I like that one.